Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this which Bratz RU filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter you have to visit the creator profile. Nofer is the creator of the filter. You can follow her to unlock all our filter to your camera tray. She is also having which Marvel character RU filter. So the first one, which Bratz RU, this is the filter. Tap on it and you will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter you have to press and hold the camera button. So let's do that. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.